Hello everyone. Here Dr. Renuka brings for you an example based on marginal costing. Students, in my first video I have explained you what is mean by marginal cost, what is mean by fixed cost, what is mean by variable cost and the difference in between fixed and variable cost. Student, all that information was essential to solve these type of examples which I have written over here. Okay, so I have taken here an example which you will have to solve in your marginal costing chapter. So student, you can see over here I have take here sales rupees 10 lakh, variable cost rupees 4 lakh, fixed cost rupees 1 lakh 20,000, and you can see over here that this information is from Jiva Limited, and on the basis of this given information we have to find out profit volume ratio, that is PV ratio. We also have to find out BEP sales, that is we have to find out in rupees. Then margin of safety, that we called it as MOS, and we also have to find out on the basis of given information desired sales, that is sales to earn profit of rupees 2 lakh, and we also have to find out desired profit when sales is given, and that sales is rupees 4 lakh. So student, without wasting time, we'll start to solve this example. So first of all, we should know how we have to start to solve this example. Student, I have told you about marginal costing statement, that I will revise again over here. Marginal costing statement. What is that statement? In that statement, what we do? In that statement, we deduct variable cost from sales. So, we'll take first sales, that is rupees 10 lakh. We'll deduct variable cost from that sales. Given variable cost is rupees 4 lakh. So, contribution we got, that is 6 lakh rupees. From contribution we deduct fixed cost. Given fixed cost amount is rupees 1 lakh 20,000, that we will deduct from the contribution, and after deducting this fixed cost we got rupees 4 lakh 80,000 as a profit. This is our marginal costing statement. Okay, this will help us to solve the further example. Student, as you know that we have to first of all find out PV ratio. So, we'll take PV ratio formula first of all. What is our PV ratio formula? PV ratio is equal to PV ratio is equal to contribution upon sales into 100. What is contribution? In our marginal costing statement, we have already find out contribution, that is rupees 6 lakh. 6 lakh is our contribution amount, and we are dividing that amount from sales volume. Our sales volume is rupees 10 lakh into 100. The answer will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. that is 60%. Our PV ratio has come, that is 60%. Okay, after PV ratio will make it bracket to this one like this. We'll highlight this one. Second thing we have to find out, that is BEP cells. Students, BEP has number of formulas, but here we have to find out BEP in cells. Means we have to find out that in rupees, not in unit. So the formula for BEP cells, or to find out in rupees, will use here the formula, and that is fixed cost upon PV ratio. Fixed cost upon PV ratio. So we'll take fixed cost here. Our fixed cost is given in the example, that is 1,20,000. PV ratio is 60%. 60% means 60 upon 100. We'll change this, that is 1,20,000. This 60 will remain as it is and 100 will go up as in multiplication. So 1,20,000 upon 60 into 100. Okay, we'll divide this and answer will come, that is 2 lakh. Answer will come, that is 2 lakh. 1,20,000 into 10, increase by 1 0, and then we'll divide this by 2 like this. Okay, 6 to 2 lakh. And the answer will come as rupees 2 lakh. Our BEP sales we have find out. BEP sales is equal to 2 lakh. We'll highlight this. We'll put bracket for our second answer. Now student, we have to find out as our third answer, and that is margin of safety. In short, we called it as MOS. Okay, what is the formula for MOS? MOS, actual sales minus BEP sales. What is the value of actual sales? Actual sales we have, that is 10 lakh. And what is the value of BEP sales? That we have just calculate, that is 2 lakh. So the margin of safety is 8 lakh. Margin of safety is rupees 8 lakh. We'll make bracket to this answer also. Then we'll go for the next one. What we have to find out, student? We have to find out this one. Sales to earn profit of rupees 2 lakh, means we have to find out sales volume which will give us profit rupees 2 lakh. It is also called desired sales. Then we'll put the formula for desired sales. What is the formula for desired sales? We'll give it number 4. Desired sales. Desired sales is equal to fixed cost plus profit upon PV ratio. Okay, what is the volume of fixed cost? Our fixed cost is 1,20,000. Okay, and profit volume which is given here, we have to write out given profit. Okay, profit volume which is given, and that profit volume is rupees 2 lakh. 2 lakh. And PV ratio is 60%. PV ratio is 60%. So student, here by adding this one, that is 3,20,000 upon 60 into again 100, will get 5,33,333 rupees. So our desired sales amount is rupees 5,33,333. Will make bracket to this one also. Student, now we have to find out our last calculation, and that is desired profit. Okay, desired profit, fifth one, desired profit. So what is the formula for desired profit? Desired profit is equal to sales into PV ratio minus fixed cost. Okay, what is the sales amount? Sales here is given. What is the sales amount is given? They have given us 4 lakh rupees as a sales amount, for which we have to find out profit. What is PV ratio? PV ratio again 60%. And what is fixed cost amount? Fixed cost amount is 1,20,000. So here 4 lakh into 60% means 2,40,000 minus 1,20,000. We got desired profit, that is rupees 1,20,000. We'll write this answer. That is desired profit is equal to rupees 1,20,000. Student, this is a basic example I have solved over here. We'll meet again with another example where some changes will be there in formula. That slight changes will be there. There will be not many more changes in the formulas, but that slight changes you must know. And so you see this video and my next video also. We'll meet soon again with another example and a simple type of solution. Up to that, bye bye.